In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to get information about the current operating system. So back to the Node documentation, scroll down the page and you'll see the operating system module here, OS. Click on it and you'll see the methods defined in this module. Like we have free mem to get the free memory of our system. We also have total mem to get the total memory of the system. But we can also find about the user information, and we can also know about the uptime and so on. So scroll down and you will see how to use this module like any other module. So we have the require function. We'll define the node OS here and store it in a constant OS. So I'll just copy this and back to VS Code. So here I'm going to delete all the code here and simply paste the code line. So now operating system module is ready to use. I'm going to use os.freemem to get the free memory of my system and os.totalmem to get the total memory of my system. And I'm going to quickly store them in a variable. So total memory gives me its memory and const free memory. Now just simply log them to the console. So log, I'll use single quotes, total memory, and I just append total memory variable here. But there is a better way to do it. We can use the template literal feature of ECMAScript. For those who don't know, ECMAScript is a specification used for JavaScript. Every year, there are new features that are being added to JavaScript, and that is being maintained by ECMAScript. So this template literal feature is available in ES6, ES6 or above specifications. Above. And the latest version of ECMAScript is ES14 or ES 2023. Let me show you how to use template literals. So console log, and instead of single quotes, we'll use the backtick character. You will find the backtick character before the number 1 on your keypad. So let's add some static text here, like total memory, and I want to add something dynamically. So I will use a $sign and curly braces, and inside this, it requires an argument. In this case, the argument is our variable, which is total memory. So in this way, you don't have to concatenate the variable with the static text. So I'll just copy this and change the total memory to free memory. Here also I will change the variable to free memory. Now let's save it and quickly check on the terminal. Now here we don't need this first console, so I'll just comment this out, back to the terminal, and let's run the code. So node app.js, as you can see, you have the total memory and free memory of my system. What is interesting here is that before Node, we couldn't use JavaScript to find this kind of information. After Node, it is pretty much simple using the OS modules and the other built-in modules of Node. For example, we can build a web server which listens to the HTTP request on a port. And I'm going to show you all this later in the section.